Hello, everyone. My name is Mouza Marzouqi, and my colleague is Ameera. We have graduated with the Masters in Applied Behavior Analysis from ECAE. Today, I'll be presenting to you two studies that we recently conducted that investigated the effectiveness of using task analysis and video modeling to teach a cultural dressing skill. So the cultural dressing skill is Hamdaniya, which is the traditional head covering of Emirati males. Many children with autism spectrum disorder have difficulties in learning dressing skills. And the dressing skill would help children to promote their independence. So the video modeling is an intervention that requires presenting a video recording of someone or the person himself. The task analysis entails breaking down a complex skill into smaller multi-step skills. The research questions: is the combination of task analysis and video modeling effective in teaching 5 to 18 years old boys a cultural specific dressing skill, which is wearing hamdaniya, where the effects of the intervention generalize across different trainers, and how satisfied were the participants, parents, with the usefulness, effectiveness, and feasibility of the intervention. The current study extended the limited existing literature on the use of video modeling intervention from Olsen 2018, and the participants recruited were 6 Emirati boys with autism spectrum disorder. A prerequisite skill assessment was used as a selection criteria, and the settings were in participants' homes via online video conferencing, and the main materials were Ghutra and the laptop. The research design used in both studies multiple baseline across participants, and the procedure in the baseline testing students in how to wear hamdaniya without any help, and in the intervention instructions were delivered in Arabic language, and the students watched the video modeling, then using least to most prompt, and finally delivering reinforcement at the end of the task. In the modification phase, where it was needed for one student in each study, which requires reducing some steps due to parents' request, then the generalization, where the instruction delivered by the caregivers without video modeling. Finally, social validity survey filled by the caregivers at the end of the study. Inter-observer agreement average was 95%, procedural integrity average was 91%, and as in the result, both studies conducted the same intervention. And these findings are consistent across the two studies. So the y-axis is the percentage completed independently and accuracy, and the x-axis represents the session. In the baseline, all students maintain low level of performance, and as shown in the graph, you can see independent dressing skill performance improved in the 6 participants upon the implementation of the intervention. And the combination of video modeling and task analysis prompt hierarchy was effective in teaching cultural specific dressing skill to the 6 boys with the autism spectrum disorder. The social validity data indicated the satisfaction with the intervention. An advantage was the supportive environment, which contributed to the success of the intervention. What was challenging is the controlling the level and timing of the parent delivering prompt and social praise. As a recommendation, including video modeling and task analysis in students' individualized education plan, and for future research exploring the effectiveness of video modeling and task analysis intervention with typically developing children. As a recommendation for the policy to collaborate with the MOE and EDIC to incorporate teaching cultural skills within the curriculum. At the end, thank you so much for references, and to contact us, you can see the QR codes at the end of this page. Thank you.